How to create a conference call on Uber Conference. You cannot create a conference call if you do not create an account or you are not signed in the app. So please do this before. Tap on Start Conference to create a new conference call. If you have a free account, you cannot send any invitation directly here. You can do that after the call is started. Tap on HD Call, but you can also choose Carrier Call. Because you are the person who created the meeting, you have some options that participants do not have. Now let's see the option for the conference call. First, tap on the top right icon. This will show you the info about the conference call. You will be able to share this info with the persons who you wish to invite to the meeting. After that, you will have on the bottom a handy button, Mute All. This button will mute all participants. At the bottom, you will have the option to set up the audio to speakers. This will allow you to hear much better and not to keep the phone at your ear. Also, you will have a chat option. Another option that you do not find it if you are a participant is located on the three dots menu from the bottom right. This will open a menu with the following options. Start Record will start the recording of the meeting in the cloud. Add Participant will allow you to add a new participant to the meeting. Viewer will show you the persons who are in the meeting. And Lock Conference will not allow another person to join the meeting if this is active. Now, let's start the record. Let's activate Lock Meeting and see what happens if somebody wants to join the conference call. You will get a notice to unlock the meeting if you wish to allow others to join. Now, let's see how the system behaves when somebody joins the conference. You do not get a notification, but you will see the new person on the list of participants. If you tap on that person, you will have three buttons. The social button will show you more info about the person. The microphone option will mute that person. And End Call will kick off the meeting this person. Please note on Android you cannot share the screen on Uber Conference. For you to end the meeting, you can just tap on End Call. After the meeting has ended, you will get the cloud record of the meeting. Also, you will see the session you created on your History Meeting page. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.